Our Q601 Bimetal M42 blade has a higher Rockwell hardness of 67 to 69. It has from 5 to 7 degree on the tooth pattern. It is designed to cut through any of your harder to work materials, carbon steels, 4140s, 316, 174. This is our best general purpose bandsaw blade. The Q601 M42 blade has an aggressive tooth pattern, a fatigue-resistant backer, and it offers the widest range of width and tooth pitches available, all the way down to as small as a 1/4 inch to as wide as 2 5/8 inch wide backer. So with this wide range, you'll have the tooth selection that you need for your application. This blade is being used in industries such as fabrication shops, steel service centers, machine shops, forge shops, metallurgical labs, even farm and ranch. If you need a Bimetal M42, try our Q601 M42 bandsaw blade. When ordering your Q601 M42 blade, we'll custom weld your blade to length, anneal, grind, dress the gullet, process, package, and ship immediately. The Q601 offers the highest quality backer, the best tooth design for getting through your harder to work applications. Thanks for watching. I'm David with Sawblade.com, and we are your competitive advantage.